Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So today's video will be based on 8th and 9th class. 8th class chapter number 1 rational number and 9th class chapter number 1 real numbers, and the concept will be converting of decimal number in P by Q form. Okay, so before proceeding toward the today's concept, I'm going to give you a bit introduction regarding different types of decimal number. Okay, let's have a recall regarding different types of decimal number. So how many types of decimal number are there? Basically there are two different types of decimal number. The first type is terminating decimal and another one is non-terminating decimal. Okay, what do you mean by terminating decimal? Terminating decimal means a decimal number which have finite digits in its decimal place. Okay, I'm going to give a bit example regarding it, like 0.91 and another example 4.73. Now if you look at these two examples, 0.91 after the decimal point, it has finite digit. Finite means you can count only two digits are there, and the second example it has 4.73 after decimal point, it has only two digits. Terminating decimal means a decimal number which have finite digits in its decimal place. Okay, again here non-terminating decimal is again classified into two type. Okay, the first type is recurring decimal. The first type is recurring decimal and the second type is non-recurring decimal. Okay, so what do you mean by recurring decimal? Recurring decimal is also known as repeating. It is also known as repeating, whereas non-recurring is also known as non-repeating. Let us first come towards non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal means it has infinite digits in its decimal place. It has infinite digits in its decimal place. Like example, I'm going to give you 0.364758891, so on. It doesn't have any end in the decimal place. Such decimal numbers are known as non-terminating decimal. Here what do you mean by recurring decimal? Recurring decimal means it is called as non-terminating recurring decimal. Non-terminating recurring decimal means it doesn't have any end, but a certain pattern of numbers gets repeated continuously. Like I'm going to give you some example. The first one, 6.4545545. Now if you look at this decimal place, here 454545 is there. Here 4545 is continuously getting repeated. Now another one, 0.636363. Here you can see a digit 636363 is continuously getting repeated. You can also say that 1.333, so on. Here 3 is continuously getting repeated. No, there is no end for this decimal place. Such numbers are known as non-terminating recurring decimal, or they are also known as non-terminating repeating decimal. Now what is non-terminating non-recurring decimal? Here it doesn't have any end, and as well as there is no repetition of any digit, like 7.4637894178, so on. Here it does. Here if you look at the decimal place, 463789417, here digits are getting continuously repeated without any repetition. One more example I'm going to give you, like 13.678147398542, so on. Okay, such numbers are known as non-terminating non-repeating decimal or non-terminating non-recurring decimal. So in today's class I am going to show you conversion of terminating decimal in p by q form, conversion of terminating decimal in p by q form, and the conversion of non-terminating repeating or non-terminating recurring decimal I am going to explain you in the next part. You can't convert non-terminating non-recurring decimal in p by q form. Why? Because non-terminating non-recurring decimals are known as irrational number. I'm going to create a separate video regarding this concept for now we are going to move towards our today's actual concept, that is conversion of non-terminating decimal in p by q form. Okay, now I'm going to write one question here regarding the today's concept. The question here is as follows: write 0.36 in p by q form. Okay, here it is given that you have to write 0.36 in p by q form. Okay, now you can write 0.36. okay, now 0.36 can also be written as 0.36 by 1. Dividing any number by 1 won't change the number. Here after decimal point, how many digits are there? It has 2 digits. So remove the decimal point and write 2 zeros in the denominator. Now it gets changes to 36 by 100. Now it is in the form of p by q only, but try to simplify it if it gets simplified. Okay, if you can simplify it. Now here the last digit is 6 and 0. You can simplify it 6 and zeros by the divisibility rule of 2. 5 2s, 2 5s, 10, 2 zeros, zeros, 2 1 2, 3 minus 2 1, 16, 2 8, 16. We got 18 by 50. Again 18 is divisible by 2, and in the 50 last digit is 0, means it is also divisible by 2. 2 9s 18, 2 2s 4, 5 minus 4 1 10, 2 5s 10. Now we can write as 9 by 25. Here 9 and 25 are co-prime number. We can't simplify it anymore. Now it has been converted into p by q form. Okay, one more question I am going to explain. So convert 4.2 in p by q form. Okay, now proceeding toward the solution part. Here the given number is 4.2. You can write 4.2 as 4.2 by 1 also. Here after decimal point 1 digit is there. After decimal point 1 digit is there. Just remove the decimal point and write 10. It has become 42 by 10. Here for last digit is 2 in the numerator and denominator last digit is 0. You can simplify it. 2 5s 10, 2 2s 4, 2 1 2s. Your answer is 21 by 5. Here 21 by 5 are co-prime. No further simplification is possible. So we have done today's video conversion of terminating decimal in p by q form. If you have any doubt, you can let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.